Welcome to this week's headlines, May 20th to the 26th. Here are some headlines you may have missed in the news. Oil and gas giants pledge cyber unity. In response to high-profile ransomware attacks such as Colonial Pipeline, 18 major energy companies have signed up to a cyber resilience pledge at the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum, WEF, in Switzerland. As an industry, we continue to see regulation, technology, partners, and companies each increasing their involvement in protection of critical infrastructure. The pledge has yet to outline any concrete policies, but is expected to focus on cooperation between the signatories and the uptake of common defense measures aimed at building what the WEF referred to as a resilience by design culture. New Zoom flaws could let attackers hack victims just by sending them a message. Specifically, the exploit chain can be weaponized to hijack the software update mechanism and make the client connect to a man-in-the-middle server that serves up an old, less secure version of the Zoom client. Like corporations, individuals need to take point to ensure they keep their software and applications patched. Users of the application are recommended to update to the latest version to mitigate any potential threats arising out of active exploitation of the flaws. Stay up to date on all the videos we release here at Archer by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the bell to be notified right away when we release new videos. Renewable energy dependence could lead to rolling blackouts in Michigan this summer. Electric grid operators are warning Michigan residents that blackouts could be needed during the hot summer months, with a hurried changeover to renewable energy sources at the forefront of the issue. The problem is not just limited to Michigan, with electric grid operators from across the country warning of similar issues in other regions. California's grid operator warned last week that extreme heat and wildfires over the summer could lead to a shortage of energy, while Texas has been plagued by issues with its grid in recent years. Do you have any questions about any of the news stories we covered in today's video? If so, let us help. Contact Archer today.